The Printing Profits course is finally available. It's now live, so if you want to learn how to make passive income with Amazon, well, stay tuned because we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video, this is a little bit of an update all about the course that I now have out called Printing Profits, where I teach you step by step on how to make passive income with Amazon. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I bring out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So, Printing Profits, I finally completed it. It is now available. It's only available for the Stackers Inner Circle members. So that is going to be for 1 week, and you can get half off the course if you go and join the Stackers Inner Circle. Anyway, so the course, Printing Profits, what is it actually about? So it's all about print on demand, but not as you know it. So this is print on demand books. So we can create interiors, we create the covers, we upload them to Amazon, then Amazon takes care of everything every time one of your books sells. So Amazon will print the book, send it to your customer, and then we receive royalties. So as you can see, I've been doing this for the last few months. This is my sales from December the 17th, but let's go the last 90 days. And we can see all these sales that I've been making of my books. So if we just go over to the new beta version, we can see how many units of books I've actually sold since I've been doing this. So just let that load for 1 second. Let's go to the 90 days. Let that load again. And now we can see that I have actually sold 343 units of my books since I have been doing this. So let's go back one, and my royalties are down here. And these royalties are completely passive, because every time one of my books sells, I don't have to ship anything, I don't have to talk to customers, I don't have to do any of that. All I literally do is do my research, find some niches, find some ideas, design covers, design interiors, and then upload the book to Amazon. And once you've created one interior, all you have to do is create another cover, and then all of a sudden you've got another book. This is a real nice, simple business model. So I do have a course, if you're interested, on how to do this step by step. So if we go over to here, we can see the course. So if you join the Stackers Inner Circle, like I said, you can get half off. This is only going to be for 1 week, and then after the 1 week, come the 23rd, the price will be increasing to £99.99, where it will stay. So here you can easily create notebooks and sell them on Amazon with no experience. I'll show you how to start doing this completely for free, because with this business model, everything you need to do, you can be done for free. It doesn't cost you a thing. So I provide you with an interior which you can use straight away. You can create covers for free using Canva. I show you how to do keyword and niche research so you never ever run out of ideas. Amazon takes care of everything, and the best part of this, you can do this business within a couple of hours a day. So if this is something that you're interested in, come join the Stackers Inner Circle, because the course has already been released and you can get half off. So why am I making a course around this? Considering I haven't actually been doing it that long, but I do have some pretty good results. So why is that? Well, a few years back when POD, Print on Demand, first came out, I was doing print on demand back then. So I used to build up these quite big fan pages, design these simple t-shirts, and sell them on my fan page. So this is one of the fan pages. I've shown this quite a few times. in a few of my videos anyway. If we scroll down, I have 180,000 people who follow this. But if we go here to photos, we can see these designs that I used to create for my pages. So let that load. These designs are really simple, as you can see there. Another one here, there. These simple designs work really, really well on notebooks. Now, so I already had this knowledge of print on demand before I started selling low content books. So what I did was taken all of my knowledge that I previously had on POD, applied that to selling low content books, and that's why I'm getting some pretty good results. So everything I know about selling POD and creating low content books, I've now created the course around that. So also, people were actually asking me, because I was showing my results, people were asking me if I had a course on how to do everything. So in the course, it's step by step. I teach you everything from niche research. I show you multiple ways that you can do that. I show you how to create these covers, the interiors, keyword research, which is essential for selling your books. Because before I started doing the low content books, or when I started doing it, I wasn't making any sales for a few weeks until I had my keyword research nailed in. Now I make sales every single day, as you can tell. So everything I know about POD and selling low content books is now in this course. Also, I am doing over-the-shoulder training. So at least once a week, I will be adding new modules to the course. And if you purchase the course, you will get an email telling you that. And these over-the-shoulder trainings is me literally working, me finding niches, ideas, designing the covers, designing the interiors, literally over-the-shoulder training of me doing this low content business. So again, if you're interested in this, come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. It's completely free for you to do that. It's just a private Facebook group. And then this is the only way that you can purchase the course up until the 23rd. And because you're an Inner Circle member, you're going to be getting half off. Then after the 23rd, people who watch my YouTube videos can buy it as well, but you don't have to be a Stackers Inner Circle, but the price will be £99.99. So head on over, join the Stackers Inner Circle, and I'll see you there. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.